Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to change lip color in your Zoom meeting. To change your lip color in a Zoom meeting, first of all, go ahead and open up your Zoom Workplace application on your desktop, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and join into a meeting or create a new meeting. After you're inside a meeting, go ahead and click on the little arrow right next to video option at the bottom left. And in the pop-up, click on Adjust, Background and Effect. After you are done and you are in this page, click on the Studio Effect option. And there you will be able to find studio effects such as eyebrows, mustache and beards, and also lip colors. Now select the lip color you'd like to apply, and as you can see that the lip color that I've selected has been now applied onto my lips in the video. You can also go ahead and choose the intensity or opacity of your lip color that you've chosen by dragging the little slider at the bottom under opacity. After you have made necessary changes, or after selecting your lip color, you can go to the bottom and tap on this toggle button right next to Apply to all future meetings if you want the lip color to stay in every meeting that you will join in the future. Simply toggle on the button and there you go. That is how you can easily apply or change lip color on Zoom meeting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Zoom Workplace tutorial. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.